Hi, I'm Ian Law, the Chief Instructor of the ILR Car Control School. Welcome to our Better Driving series. For over 25 years, we've been helping motorists from all walks of life become safer, more confident drivers. In today's video, we're going to be discussing driver psychology. While we're driving, we'll usually find ourselves in one of three states of mind. There's the child, immature state of mind, the parent-teacher state of mind, and the mature state of mind. In this particular video that we're going to look at, we're going to come across two of those three states of mind. We're going to be looking at the child state of mind, and more importantly, the more common one, the parent-teacher state of mind. In this particular example, the camera vehicle is traveling up a U.S. interstate highway. The driver is in the left-hand lane, hoping to pass a number of trucks in the right-hand lane up ahead. Directly in front of us, we have a pickup truck. Now, as this drive progresses, coming up on the right-hand side is going to be a Camaro. What we're going to notice is this Camaro driver is in that child state of mind. He's going to try and show everybody how quickly he can get through traffic. The pickup driver reacts by getting into the parent state of mind, the teacher state of mind, where he's going to show that Camaro driver he should not be doing that. As this drive progresses, the Camaro driver is still in that child state of mind. He wants to show everybody how fast he can get through this traffic. The pickup driver, on the other hand, is still in that parent-teacher state of mind. He's trying to show that Camaro driver how to do things and what he should not be doing. So he's going to block that Camaro driver, try to teach him a lesson. While this progresses, the transport truck driver should be noticing what's going on beside him and saying, I don't want to be anywhere near this, and he should be backing out of that. Slowing down, getting away from both of them. As the drive continues, it starts to ramp up and heat up. The pickup driver is still in that teacher state of mind. He's blocking the Camaro driver in, trying to teach him a lesson. The Camaro driver, being in that child state of mind, is running out of patience. In a moment, disaster is going to unfold. Okay, now the Camaro driver has run out of patience, pulls out on the left-hand shoulder, tries to pass, the collision happens, all three are involved. A classic example of the child state of mind meets the parent state of mind, and nothing good came of this. As a wrap-up, let's review those three states of mind. There's that child immature state of mind, the racer, the show-off, and for those, there's racetracks. There's the parent-teacher state of mind, which is by far the most common and one of the most dangerous. That's where you're going to try to teach somebody how to drive from your vehicle, and it never works. It leads to road rage and stress while driving. And finally, there's the adult mature state of mind, where the intelligent driver wants to find themselves all the time. The intelligent driver will be thinking, the easier I make it for everybody else, the safer I make it for me. Thank you for watching. For more information, click on the links below. Please like, comment, and subscribe. For more information, visit us on carcontrolschool.com, Facebook, and Instagram. Stay tuned for more videos from our Better Driving series, where we can help you become a better driver.